Yeah. Well, how damaged is it?
Now's a good time. Now's a good time.
Okay,
It's on fire. Wait. It's gonna miss.
Yeah,
No. Spray. Down.
Is it in the water? Yeah, that's in water. Go.
Cover the roof. Tingus, are you there?
We're going.
I just jumped off the roof like a fucking ninja. Go.
That's not gonna be much of a
Shut.
counter on your part. I'm holding from here.
Yeah, hold.
Where is it exactly?
East.
Tingus, you might need a scuba set. Yeah, you're gonna need a scuba set.
Thanks, we're shopping.
Yeah, and you can slash shop. Go.
You guys are gonna get there before anybody.
Easy dubs.
Yo, it landed in the water, Nappy.
Yeah,
Sorry.
I know. I was about to ask.
Easy.
What the fuck? Why do we just have 6C4 up here? What the fuck?
See,
What?
now you got enough.
We're gonna come PvP you. It's just Heli came out. We're not trying to fight Heli while we're PvPing you.
That's AIDS.
Plus we low-key need another M2.
Dude, so far this kind of sucks. Okay, yeah, this sucks. Oh no.
Did you get all the crates?
Tingus, how many did you get?
I got 2.
I got 1. Check for a 4th. Here, I'm buying a
It's under
mask.
heli. It's under heli. It's
Things-
under heli.
It is? Can you loot it?
Yeah, use the
Use a
spear
tool.
method.
Oh, the spear
Get
method?
those-
Yeah, just throw spears
Get
at
those
it.
spears.
Yeah.
Get those spears.
Okay.
Get on the ice. Get on the iceberg. Get on the
Okay,
iceberg.
my friend. Oh my god, my friend has a
Tingus,
suppressor
what
on
did
his
you
LR.
L9 rocket launcher.
Are you guys coming over here?
No, because we landed in the water.
I can't hit it.
Tingus, you just gotta try hard enough.
Yeah, dude, we can't mine it either. That sucks.
It's too hot, yeah.
It's underwater. Hello?
How is it hot?
Just wait. Just stay there. It'll go on hot for a while. Are you sure it's under the heli? Or are you 100%?
That's what Tingus said.
Tingus, go check. Make sure you see.
Here, I'm buying a mask. Just to see.
This is what happens. This is the same thing that happened on Scripps Iceberg, and it turns out that the last one was an M2 that we couldn't get.
Yeah, it's under heli. Tingus, I got it. You buffoon.
What is it?
Rockets.
Oh, so no M2?
No, M2. So
Should we roam M2 if we're M2?
15 normal, 7 HP.
Nope. Should I go M2 and just be suppressed and stay way in the back, full black kit?
Doing what?
Against their clan. Over.
Guys, M2, I'm dead!
They're here.
They're here! You...
Buffoon.
Tingus, Tingus, do you
I can't, bro. They're right there.
Tingus, I mean, are you not on roof?
Are you not
You two dead?
Nice.
It's
I'm running out. Light him up.
I downed him. He's gonna pick it.
Alright, that's fine. Light him up. Where's AC?
I can't.
Fucking Keith complains about him us not being there.
He looted
Not even
Tingus'
here.
body, and I can't do anything about it now.
Where?
We're at the high wall, stone high wall,
Right.
right over that hill where you were.
Okay.
Nice.
Alright,
I'm gonna reload, and I'm pushing up higher.
Yeah, just make sure you can see them, dude.
Yeah, I can right here. I can't see them.
Coming out.
They're
If they... Yeah. They're probably just gonna TP out, because, you know, that's how people play this server.
Hit him.
Just come back. I'm running out. I'm running right side.
He high walled your body. He's distracting. I'm gonna hold it now.
Just make sure he's combated.
Hit another.
Alright, just
He
combat them.
put 2 high walls on your body.
I see him. He's crouching away. Headshot, double headshot. One dead. Hit the other twice. Other hit twice. Shoot, just spray, cover fire!
Are you dead?
No, I'm lit though. I'm pushing back to
Tingus
base.
at the high wall, right for you.
I swear I saw.
Is he there or no?
No.
One's there, one's here.
Should I push with him
He
too?
he pushed back downhill.
Should I push with him too? Just stay way back.
Headshot, one dead. Headshot the other. Headshot, dead.
Are they all dead?
All dead.
Are they dead?
Is that all?
I'm coming out with him too.
Alright, hurry.
That's just loot it and run. I'm coming to cover. I'm gonna stay really close to the compound now. I don't want to risk this. He's sitting.
Everybody.
Did you loot your body at the old high wall Tingus?
they full loaded it.
Hey, no the kid, no the kid.
Where?
Saw?
He's talking, he's talking. He's complaining that you were on the roof with him too.
On your right, on your right, on your right.
Alright,
He's
don't.
right around that cliff, right around that cliff. To your right, Tingus, to your right.
I know exactly where he is.
Kill him, kill him, kill him.
Just kill him!
He F1 killed himself!
Okay.
Are all the
Kill
bodies
him.
full looted? Are all the
No,
bodies?
no, body down here still, not full looted.
I'll come get it. Yeah, I told you, Tingus, they didn't loot your body.
Oh, that's why lockers are good, boys.
Bro, I mean, you both just respawn instantly.
Yeah.
Locker it, and right outside. Oh, they see it, alright.
Alright, TPing out.
Alright,
Did you
keep
loot
it
all
back
the
then.
bodies?
I literally 2
Do you have
extra
any
kits.
rockets
I
on you?